All right, guys, look, there's a quick, easy one today. You're going to do your rear brakes or your front brakes, and you got one of these hold-down screws in there. Before you go and grab your impact driver, you put it in there, and you're like, bam! And break off the bit. Before you do that, do this. Check this out. All right, so here's what you do, right? Get your big, bad, snap-on air hammer out. I like to act like I'm riding a Harley with it. I'm like, I'm just kidding. Anyways, look, get a bit like this, little flat kind of hammerhead bit. He just have at it, man. A little love and oh, just like that, you've got it out. You didn't even need to use the impact driver. So look, sometimes you may need to put it on there afterwards, but a lot of times, dude, that thing's gonna just come right on out. I hope this helped you out. If you need any help in the future, if there's something you'd like to see, please let me know and I'll try to do it. Thanks.